A warm good morning and heartily welcome you all at today's auspicious function of Guru Purnima. Let's start our today's program with Shlok. I would like to request my old teacher to come forward for the Shlok.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Shloks are means of praising and making an earnest prayer to God. Let's welcome our beloved student Vithlani Harvi for the Shlok recitation.
Namaste, my name is Vithlani Harvi. I am studying in class 4th. आज हम करेंगे सरस्वती वंदना. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं काम रूपाणि विद्यारंभं सिद्ध धर्मवतु मे सदा. Happy Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Now, Lalani Dhruvi is going to share her views on Guru Purnima. So let's welcome her.
Respected all my gurus, myself Lalani Dhruvi from class 8 from Vision English Medium School. As we all know that today is the special occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to give a speech on Guru Purnima. This day is considered as a good day by the people, especially to the farmers, as they wait for heavy showers for their crops to grow. The 4-month period, Chaturmas, starts this day and the spiritual seekers start intensifying their sadhanas this day. In the history, it has been witnessed that the spiritual gurus with their disciples used to sit under a tree and study the Brahma Sutras composed by Vyas. India is the only place where gurus have been given a lot of importance and where there are a lot of followers and disciples. The gurus have been existing since the ancient times and is still a part of our lives. The gurus teach us about the importance and the cycle of life, and it is because of the gurus that we believe in the existence of immortals and outside the world. Guru is not only a physical form but also a form of energy by which knowledge is transmitted to the individuals. There is an aura that can be only felt in the presence of Guru. Guru can be our parent, the guide of our minds. This is why we celebrate Guru Purnima and dedicate the respect of its being. Thank you.
Dance is a great way to express our feelings and emotions. Now, our little flowers are going to express their gratitude and respect through the dance. So let's welcome them.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाए, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे.
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे.
प्रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए झिलमिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम.
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे. गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
Now, Malavya Aksh is going to recite a shlok. So let's welcome him.
Namaste, My name is Malavya. I am in class first. Today is Guru Purnima, so I will recite a slok for my respected teachers, gurus. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए बलिहारी गुरु आपकी जी ने गोविंद दियो बताए. Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima.
Now, Lalani Rudra is going to share his thoughts related to Guru Purnima. So let's welcome him.
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः. Good morning, respected principal and teachers. My name is Rudra Jinesh Bhai Lalani and I am going to speech about Guru Purnima. Guru Purnima is an essential spiritual festival celebrated by Buddhists and Jains. The occasion is celebrated in the Indian subcontinent from ancient times. It is celebrated on the full moon of Ashad month. It is commemorated in the holy memory and Guru Vyas. Many temples observe and offers Vyas Puja on Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Our kids are going to perform a drama related to ancient and modern Guru Shishya relations. So I hope you are going to enjoy it. Let's welcome them. Here comes Guru Dronacharya with his disciples Pandavas, Kauravas and Ashwasthama.
Good morning, my disciples. Please sit down.
Ji Guruji.
Today, I have set up a target in the shape of a bird on the tree. Come with me. See, on that tree, I have set up a target in the shape of the bird. You have to shoot in the eye of that bird. Duryodhan, come here. What can you see on that tree, Duryodhan?
Guruji, I can see tree, flowers, leaves, sky.
Okay, take your place. Now, Ashwathama, you come here.
Ji Guruji.
What can you see on that tree, Ashwathama?
Guruji, I can see leaves, flowers and so many.
Okay, take your place. Now, Sahadev, you come here.
Ji Guruji.
See that tree. What can you see, Sahadev?
Guruji, I can see leaves, flower, branches and bird.
Okay, take your place. Bhim, come here.
Ji Guruji.
What can you see on that tree, Bhim?
I can see so many fruits on the tree, Guruji.
Okay, take your place. Arjun, come here.
Ji Guruji.
What can you see on that tree, Arjun?
I can see only eye of the bird, Guruji.
Can you see the sky?
No, only eye of the bird, Guruji.
Can you see the tree?
No, only eye of the bird, Guruji.
Can you see the bird?
No, only eye of the bird, Guruji.
Okay, then shoot. Very good, Arjun. You achieved your target.
Thank you, Guruji.
Keep it up and take your place. Listen, my old disciples. When you want to achieve something, you must focus on it. Concentrate only on your target.
Ji Guruji.
Okay, come with me.
Let's welcome Ramakant and Sachin Tendulkar.
How are you?
I am fine, Sachin. How are you?
I am also fine, sir. My Guru Sri Ramakant Acharya taught me how to play straight in both of cricket field and life.
I always said to Sachin that don't copy anyone's style of batting, bowling or fielding. Be natural and work on your technique. It is better to fail in originality than to be succeed on wrong path.
Thank you.
Our next pair is Chanakya and King Ashok.
शूरवीर बलवान दयामय प्रजापाल रक्षक करुणामय वो कहलाए.
The art of war which leads to me the conquer the entire India is the result of teaching my Guru Chanakya.
Education is our best friend. An educated person respect everywhere. Education beats beauty and the youth. Thank you.
Here comes G.H. Hardy with his disciple Ramanujan.
Congrats Ramanujan, you have got scholarship in Cambridge University.
Oh really? That's nice. My Guruji, Sri Hardy, identified my ability and inspired me. Then I was able to make contribution of theory.
I always told Ramanujan that if a mathematician, like a painter or a poet, is the maker of patterns, if the patterns are more permanent than theirs, it is because it is made up of ideas.
Next pair is Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa and Swami Vivekanand.
जिनके ओजस्वी वचनों से गूंज उठा था विश्व गगन, वही प्रेरणा पुंज हमारे स्वामी पूज्य विवेकानंद.
Pranam Guruji, I was a bright kid but I was confused about my life. It was the turning point of my life when I met my Guru Swami Ramakrishna, who led me in the advertise of Hindu religions around the world.
Thanks Vivekanand for following my path. When the divine vision is attained, all appears equal and there remains no distinction of good and bad or high and low. Thank you.
Here comes Swami Ramdas and his disciple Shivaji Maharaj.
इंद्रजिमी जंब पर वादवसु अंब पर रावण सा रंब पर रघुकुल राज है. पौन बारी बाह पर संबुरती नाह पर जो सहस बाह पर राम विजराज है.
The innermost talent of mine was shaped by my Guru Swami Ramdas. His teaching made me a great warrior as well as beloved king. Thanks Shivaji for following my path. Don't forget the central truth that the God is seated in your own heart. The whole universe is permeated through and through with God.
Guru is like ocean, but what we get from him depends on our vessel. So thank you so much kids for this amazing drama. Asodarya Tirth and Lunagaria Purva are going to recite a shlok. So let's welcome them.
Friends, my name is Lunagaria Purva. My school name is Vision School. I study in class 2. Today I will recite a shlok on Guru Purnima. Hello friends, my name is Asodarya Tirth. I study in class 2. My school name is Vision School. Today I will recite a shlok on Guru Purnima. Guru Vande Matrurupam, Guru Vande Pitrurupam, Guru Vande Karunamayam, Guru Vande Sugnanamayam, Guru Vande Siddhi Pradam, Guru Vande Buddhi Pradam, Guru Vande Vimalmatim, Guru Vande Yamul Krutim. Thank you. Happy Guru Purnima.
Our little Pranjali is going to say few words related to Guru Purnima. So let's welcome her.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अलदर प्रांजलि, मैं तीसरी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मैं आपको गुरु पूर्णिमा के विषय कुछ बताऊंगी। गुरु पूर्णिमा एक प्रसिद्ध भारतीय पर्व है। इस हिंदू या बौद्ध पूर्ण हर्ष व उल्लास के साथ मनाते हैं। यह हिंदू कैलेंडर के अनुसार आषाढ़ माह की पूर्णिमा को मनाया जाता है। गुरु पूर्णिमा गुरु के प्रति श्रद्धा व समर्पण का पर्व है। यह पर्व गुरु के नमन व सम्मान का पर्व है। गुरु पूर्णिमा की शुभकामनाएं।
Now, Ramavat Jainil is going to deliver a speech related to Guru Purnima. So let's welcome him.
Good morning, respected sir and madam. My name is Ramavat Jainil and I am from Standard 8 Vision English Medium School. यशस्य देवा परा भक्ति यथा देवा तथा गुरु तस्य ते कथिता हि अर्थाः प्रकाशन्ते महात्मा. What this line means is that one should we worship the Guru in the same manner as we worship God. Guru is regarded as the other figure of Vishnu, Shiva and Brahma. The above lines are also indicate the same things. Guru is only the person who will be able to remove the darkness in a person. A Guru is the one who has been given significance more than God. He teaches like lesson of to people and lead them to the glory. This day is widely celebrated to recognize the significant contribution of teachers in our life. It is the day to remind the importance of Guru and pay our respect to them. Guru's grace and blessings are powerful to dispel the ignorance from the life of students. On this day, disciples and students recognize the importance of Guru in life and receive their blessings. On this auspicious day, we should all introspect our life and pay our gratitude toward all those people who have played the role of a Guru in life. Thank you all Gurus, with my first Guru, my parents, my school teachers. Thank you all.
Now, our girls are going to perform a dance to show their respect and gratitude towards their Guru. So let's welcome them. Now, I would like to invite our HOD Nehal ma'am to say few words related to this program. To Nehal ma'am.
Hello everyone. In this pandemic year, even my kids and teachers of Vision English Medium School has performed marvelous play on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Each play had a different meaning by the importance of Guru and their disciples, even in this modern era. I thank to all my team and students to make this day fruitful. Thank you.